Hello, welcome back to Muslim Convert Learning Arabic. So in this part of this lesson, you learn about ma hada, means what is this? And these sentences are good to write and practice Arabic writing. So when you're teaching yourself, it's very important to get a lot of practice for vocabulary and also writing. So in the previous video, I explained what this was and what it meant, and now I'm going to do some writing. And just carry on practicing. The more you write, the easier it gets. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.